So here's the main strip of the Wisconsin Dells. So I'm just going to drive it over to the boat tour. Lost Temple on the left. I think the main street is coming up here. So the left is where the Western theme park was. Now it's McDonald's and Starbucks and Walgreens. So we're going to do Wisconsin Dells downtown now. I'm going to do the upper Dell tour. It's 2 hours where the lower is only 1 hour. And have bike lanes going through here. A lot of mini golf, water parks. So I'm going to drive through the main downtown area. I guess that's where I can park there, which I'm going to have to come back to. Because here's where I get the Upper Dell boat tours. Over at the riverfront on the left. There's Ripley's on the left. They have a lot of touristy stuff, t-shirt shops. There's a Dairy Queen in there, Ripley's. Candy Connection. So like I said, I'm just going to drive this, turn around, go back the other way, and then park and get my tickets for the Upper Dells tour. Because like I said, that one's 2 hours, so it's more worth it. It's only like $10 more too. I'll list the price of the tickets once I'm over there. I want to say it's like $36, maybe $38. So it's Tuesday, October 3rd. So it's not very busy here on a Tuesday. I'd probably say Friday through Monday are probably much busier. Just because people stay. So here's just going the other way so you can get an idea of what the downtown area looks like. Candy stores, t-shirts, paintball. It used to be more like moccasins and Indian stuff and that, but they kind of don't really have that anymore, so. Old-time portraits, distillery. Oh, they had parking here too. I did not know that. I might go back to that parking actually, it's probably closer. And there's where I'm going to get the Upper Dells boat tour. They do have a ghost boat tour as well. But that's only at night. I won't be here that long.